I can't believe it took you so long to ask me out on a date.
I always thought you liked Mark, so I didn't think I had a chance.
I had this thing about him, but it's over. So, what do you like to do on your free time?
I like sports, watching movies, reading books. Things like that.
What type of movies do you like?
I like drama and comedy.
Me too. Mostly drama though. Have you seen Pay It Forward?
Yeah. I loved that movie.
It's one of my favorites. I cried so much at the end.
I thought the idea of paying it forward was awesome.
What was your favorite comedy?
Do you remember The Three Amigos?
Vaguely. I was pretty little when that came out.
I don't remember it much back then, but I saw it again the other day and it cracked me up.
Maybe I need to see that movie again.
I think it is a classic. So many funny scenes.
I really liked The Mask with Jim Carrey.
He is hilarious. I love that guy.
I like most of his movies. He is such a character.
What else do you like to do?
Well, I like to exercise.
Where do you exercise?
I go to a health club by my house. But on a nice day, I like to jog around a lake.
That's good. I like to stay in shape too. But I do that by playing a lot of sports. Do you play any sports?
I played a little bit in high school, but nothing really these days. Have you tried golf?
Don't start with that. My dad always nagged at me to play, but I never got into it.
What do you usually do with your friends?
We go out shopping a lot.
Where do you usually go?
Usually downtown. It's more fun in the city than in the mall. Plus, there are too many high school students at the mall.
I know some girls like bags, and some like shoes. What do you like to shop for the most?
I can never have too many pairs of shoes. I have like 30 pairs already, but I am always shopping for more.
Oh. The food's here.
Great. I'm so hungry.
After dinner, do you want to catch a movie?
Sure. I am always up for a good movie.
Learn English speaking online to improve your spoken English. Speak English fluently with free spoken English lessons. Go to this link and sign up for a free lifetime account. No money, no credit card required.